Hello everyone, welcome back to my Creo tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While modeling, I am going to start with the left side face. I will create this left side surface and extrude up to the length of 64. Then I will remove the material, start removing it. First our bottom surface here 50 mm length and 6 mm height. I will remove the material throughout the length. Then here I will remove the material. After that I will create these two holes. This one hole is throughout the hole and these two holes are 6 mm diameter and 20 mm deep. Then I will create this cut. Now we will model this component. So after model the component, it will look like this. So this is our model. Now we will create the same model using Creo Parametric. First go to new, part solid, untick this use default template, say OK. Our model unit is in mm, so choose mm part solid absolute, say OK. Now the model is this. For easy explanation, I am just keeping the file left side. Now we will start creating the model one by one. So as I explained, so I will start with the right side surface. So this surface I will create and I will extrude up to the length of 64 mm. So I'm just taking a front plane, sketch view. Now we can create the center line. Then we'll create a corner, we'll take a corner rectangle. Simply I'm just creating a symmetric rectangle. Here the maximum length is 100 and the height is 19. Go to fit screen. Now we'll create one more rectangle here by adding here. Then go to delete segments, remove this. Now this is our right side surface. Now we'll specify the dimension. The total length is 100 and here the total height is 44 and this dimension has to be specified. Select this length and press it here. This is 38. Here you can see 38. Now all the dimensions are specified. Now just say OK, extrude, rotate the object, choose symmetric. The extrusion length is 64. Now just press the roller to confirm. Now first feature we have created, then we just want to do the material removal features. So I am going to start with the bottom material removal features. Select the surface, sketch view. Here take this reference, close, take the same corner rectangle. Now just make this symmetric with this. Then go to dimension. From here to here it is 7. So automatically it is set. Now the height has to be specified. The height is 6. Now just say OK. Now extrude, change the direction, choose this into to next. Just say OK. Now we have created the cut. Similarly here we just want to create the cut. Select the surface, sketch view. Now take this as a reference, then close, take a line, here shorter line, here longer line. Now both the lines are not symmetric, just make a symmetric. This line has to be symmetric. Similarly this line has to be symmetric. Now both are we have made symmetric. Then just specify the dimension. Take a dimension, double click here. This dimension is 24 and this length is 38. Now everything is okay. Press the roller to confirm. Just say OK, extrude, change the direction. The thickness to be removed the material is 13. Just 13. Just press the roller to confirm. Now we have removed the material. Now we'll create one circle with a diameter of 10 throughout the length. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Take the reference, this one as well as this one. Just close it. Take circle, put it here. Now two dimension has to be specified. One is from this edge, the 19 and diameter. This one is the 19. This diameter is 10. Save OK, extrude, change the direction, change this into 2 next, save OK. Then we just want to create two circles. We'll create one circle here and from that we'll remove the material by using extrude option up to the length of 20 mm. Then we'll mirror it. So select the surface, sketch, sketch view, reference from here and this one. Close it, circle. Randomly you just put a circle. Don't make any constraints with the points it's showing. So this dimension is 13. Then they have given a dimension of from this point to this point. Anyway, from here to here, this one is also 10. And this diameter is 6. M6 nothing but 6. Now just edit the sketch. Same thing, we can make a mirror. Select the sketch, mirror, plane, save OK, extrude, change the direction. The extrusion deep is 20 mm. Just 20. Press the roller to confirm. Then finally we just want to create this cut. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Take this as a reference and this one as the reference. Just close it. Take the rectangle. For symmetric rectangle, use the center rectangle. This one is the symmetric rectangle. Height, they are not specified. This one is the 18. And now we just want to make a circle. From here to here, one circle, and here one circle. Now use the delete segments. Deletes the inside segments. Yes. Now go to dimension. From this outer edge to this edge as a dimension of 13 mm. And the total from here to here, the dimension is 38. Now just say OK, extrude, change the direction to next, save OK. Now we have finished the model. So we have completed the model using Creo Parametric. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.